The packaging of the 70 Mi UP06 reflects a practical, installation-focused approach. Inside the box, the main power module is accompanied by multiple fuse tap adapters compatible with common automotive fuse standards, including Micro 2, Mini, Profile Mini, and ATO. Each fuse tap comes pre-installed with a 5-amp fuse, simplifying setup and eliminating the need for additional components. The kit also includes the primary wiring harness with clearly labeled ACC, VCC, and GND connectors, making fuse box integration easier even for first-time installers. Power is delivered to the dash cam through a USB Type-C output cable designed for modern 70 Mi models. Overall, the unboxing experience emphasizes convenience and straightforward installation without requiring specialized tools or complex wiring. The core of the 70 Mi UP06 is its compact control module, which integrates voltage monitoring circuitry, battery protection logic, and a stable power conversion system. The module housing is constructed from durable plastic with a clean matte finish, making it unobtrusive when mounted inside the vehicle. One of the most distinctive features is the integrated 3-digit LED voltage display. This small screen continuously shows the vehicle battery's current voltage. It offers direct visual feedback, allowing users to monitor battery behavior in real time. The module also incorporates a 3-level adjustable low-voltage cutoff switch, enabling users to select between different battery protection thresholds.